Amsterdam is one of Europe's most unique and charming cities. Known for its canals, historic buildings, and colorful streets, this city attracts millions of tourists every year. Today, we will show you the beauty and hidden sides of Amsterdam. To truly understand Amsterdam, you must first look beneath your feet. In fact, the idea of ground here is quite relative. The city was built on swampy land and stands on millions of wooden poles. Just imagine, the Royal Palace alone rests on 13,659 wooden pillars. Amsterdam is world famous for its cycling culture. Here, it is more common to see bicycles than cars. The city has thousands of bike lanes, and many people use bicycles as their main form of transportation in everyday life. One of Amsterdam's most iconic symbols is its canals. Built in the 17th century, these waterways give the city a special beauty. At night, the illuminated bridges and reflections on the water create a truly breathtaking view. Amsterdam's narrow and colorful houses are among the city's most distinctive sights. Many of these homes were built centuries ago and are still preserved today. The fact that many of them appear slightly tilted is one of the city's fascinating features. Take a closer look at the tall, narrow houses along the canals. Why are they so slim? Because in the past, taxes were based on the width of the building. Clever Amsterdam residents built them narrow, but deep and tall. Amsterdam is a city of art and culture. It is home to world-famous places such as the Van Gogh Museum, Rijksmuseum, and Anne Frank House. The city beautifully preserves the harmony between history and modern life. Amsterdam's streets are always lively. Small cafes, open-air restaurants, and street musicians give the city a unique energy. Even simply walking around here is a pleasure in itself. After sunset, Amsterdam takes on a completely different character. Bright streets, lively squares, and nightlife make the city even more energetic. Here, life never stops, even at night. Amsterdam is not just a city. It is a place where freedom, history, and beauty come together. With its canals, streets, and atmosphere, Amsterdam leaves unforgettable memories for everyone who visits. Amsterdam, a unique world built on water,